let your beauty sing.
Hello, we're talking about towels today. How exciting, I know. But when it comes to beauty and looking after your skin, it's so important to have your own towel. Now, this is something I want to emphasize because when we were growing up and, when we were kids and everything, and you think back in the 80s or in the 70s, there was a one-hand towel and everyone used that one-hand towel. And then it was like, your parents can say, oh, it's okay. You can use your face on there as well. And you can use your hands on there as well. And everyone's using it in the household. And you think, why am I getting all these spots? Why is my skin breaking out? Why is this happening? Why is that happening? Now, I learned that it was not a good idea to have hand towel for all and sundry. And then utilizing that hand towel for a face towel too. But I learned early and I caught onto it because I kind of questioned everything. And I do question a lot of things, okay? And I questioned my mum. Why is it we're using a hand towel? And I was quite young at the time. I said, why are we using a hand towel and a face towel together? That's disgusting. So what I decided to do was find my own towel for my own face because I don't want to sound like a snob, but I just thought about how disgusting it could be if hands were going on that towel, even though they're washed, they're going on the towel, and then your face is going on that towel as well. And you think, that's a bit cranky pants, right? So what I decided to do is get my own towel. Now, there are ways of looking after your skin after you've washed your face. And some people I've noticed as well don't use a towel at all. They leave their face dripping with water. Now, the issue with that is that it can irritate the skin. So you have to think about water as a chemical rather than its purity, because unless you're filtering it out, it is made of chemicals, right? So they're leaving it dripping on their skin and they're not bothering to dry out their skin at all. And they're not even blotting it, nothing, just leaving it there. And it can irritate and it can cause spots too, because that water has nowhere else to go apart from drip off the face. And even if it's trying to sit into the skin, it won't sink in. It will literally just sit. Now, when it comes to towels, and I'm going to use this tissue just to demonstrate as well in terms of like how to dry off the face. I know it sounds really, really ridiculous, but I think at the same time there's so many people who don't know what to do, and I've had to advise my husband as well, because guys are probably the most likely to want to scrub their face off with a towel after they've washed it. And and this is what happens. So they scrub it to say that it's dry, right? And this is what I used to see my husband do. He'd probably throttle me afterwards, I don't care. But he did this, just like this. I was like, what are you doing? I go, why would you scrub your face like that after you've washed it? Would you not want to take care of your skin? And he'd be like, oh, it's just a thing we do. Okay, what, just to make sure that all the water's off your face kind of thing? It's like, yeah. I said to him, no. So he's going through, he does his skincare now. I advised him accordingly. But what you need to do with your skin, and especially with the towel, is just blot. You're patting it dry, patting down your neckline if you need to, around your nose, around your eyes. You're patting your skin. You're not dragging your skin. You're not roughing up your skin. You're literally patting. It's just nice and gentle the skin. Remember, under the eyes is really, really soft as well. So delicate. You have to be so aware of what you're doing and what you're using. Your towel should be lovely and fluffy, not I'd say chafing your face, basically. All right, so you're not feeling like you've got sandpaper going on your face. So keep your hand towel and your face towel completely separate, please. And this is from an early age as well. So this is when I was picking up that vibe of, I don't think it's right to be having a hand towel and a face towel. Look, this is the norm back in those days. Back in the 70s and early 80s, people were like, yeah, whatever, it's just a towel. Yeah, let's just go have fun. And, you know, and I was learning very quickly, like, that's not the way to do it. You know, you shouldn't be utilising your hand towel and your face towel together. It should be your own separate face towel. So I used to have my own towel. My sister had her own towel as well. And then we'd take it into the bathroom when we needed it. And then we'd take it out of the bathroom afterwards because we didn't want anyone else touching our towels. And that's how it should be. So I hope that information helps about towels and how to use them. And I'll see you in another episode. And I'm Sunita Johal of Let Your Beauty Sing. Ciao, ciao.
Let your beauty sing.